Hey, and shout out to like the 20 people who do watch my videos. It's much appreciated. Thanks for the support. It's hard out here. Did anybody else like their box this month? Let me know. Let me know if you subscribed to the box, not to me, but it'd be cool if you did. And review this month's Boxy Charm, which is February. And the theme is Galaxy Glow. So in this one, I should have added it up before, but it's a total of, doesn't make sense, or maybe it does. I don't know. I'm adding up a total of $126.99. I don't know. I don't feel like I have that much stuff though. Well, I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna begin with opening these, which are the Crown Pro Teal brushes, and these retail for $29.99. They're cute because they kind of remind me of like the Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild had like a similar finish once, and then I found their brushes at the 99-cent store. They're soft. So these are supposed to be for contour, but what I'm gonna actually do is use this one to wipe off the excess powder I have all on my face right now. It's really soft. So these are supposed to be used for contour, but I don't think I can contour. I don't know, I don't use this small of a brush to contour, or this, maybe for my nose contour. This one I would probably use to like bronze up. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. So I'm gonna take, this is not in the box, but I'm gonna use it to bronze up. Maybe I got too much bronzer. Go ahead and use the tinier one for my nose contour. No, it's really stiff. Crap. Alright, I'm gonna use the bigger one to blend it out. Well, not the bigger one, the like medium one. I'm making a mess. I saw a lot of people got like a highlight palette in theirs. I didn't, which I was kind of like disappointed about. Instead, I got this like pop-up palette, and this one retails for $19 from OFRA. So it's pretty cool. It like opens up like this, and then it comes with a fill of blush, and let's test it out. It just says blush GODET refill, so I don't know if that's like the color, but it's pretty. It's something I would definitely use. And okay, kind of reminds me of like a Gingerly by MAC. Ooh, 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 that's pigmented. Oh. This is going downhill fast. So yeah, $19, and then the blush is $12. Pretty cool. I like it. Went a little too heavy with the blush, but it's a pretty color. Whew. I'm pulling up very, very orange on here. But let's move along. The next item here is, there's two eye products. So one is a COVERFX Shimmer Veil, and this one retails for $28, and I haven't seen the color. Yeah. Amethyst. I'm gonna go swatch it in the back of my hand. Oh, that's pretty. And then they also, we also got the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil, and this one retails for $21. Oh, it's pretty black. I'm just gonna take a Morphe M441 with my Hoola bronzer and use that as a transition. Let's pop it on my eyelid. Whew. I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. I don't know how I feel about this. It's just, maybe if I go in with another layer. Let's see. To be honest, I wasn't that excited for this month's box. It had just like been sitting on my counter. I don't know. Last month, I guess because it was the first month I had received it, I was like way more excited. And hopefully next month, I already got an email saying that they were sending it off. Hopefully I like really like what I get in there. I like that they're products I've never used before, so I get to try out. But it just sucks that like sometimes they show one thing on their Instagram, like, oh, you know, you guys are getting this, and then you get something like, for example, I got the OFRA Cosmetics palette, which I'm not mad at, but I mean, that's all what's advertised, you know? This color here. Oh. Well, I just went in with that eyeshadow and I completely covered up all the shimmer. Okay, I'll add more right now. What if I use this brush that came with this? Oh yeah, use a brush. My finger's basically just like wiping off all the product. Look, it's just like hanging out. I'm used to like applying the ColourPop Super Shock shadows that way, and I get like the most color payoff, but I guess for these it's best to use like a synthetic brush. I don't know what kind of eye look this is. I feel like a hooker. All right, I'm just gonna go in with this eyeliner. Whew. Looking rough. Okay, I have to put this down. I cannot apply eyeliner. I don't know how some girls just like, shh. I'm freaking dying right now. Okay, I am back. I just put some wing liner. I used my e.l.f. Cosmetics wing liner, and this is in jet black. I really like this eyeliner. And then I popped on the Carli, Bybel, and Velour lashes, the collab that she had a few years ago. So I'm gonna just go into the last thing here. Here's the Plumping Lip Exfoliator. And let's see. Oh, it smells good. Vanilla. Ooh. Well, it's tingling. I'm gonna rub it off. Ooh. Oh, it tastes sweet. Honestly, it's a pretty color. I just don't like how like it caked up. Can you see that? It's a really pretty color, but I wouldn't spend $20 on it personally, but it's pretty. But yeah, I mean, I'm excited about this. I really needed this because I have some other loose pans that would be cool to put in here. Oh shit, my highlighter's already everywhere. So excited about this. The brushes, they were alright. They're soft, but I can live without. Personally, I wouldn't spend $30 on them. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion. Eyeliner, yeah, it's pretty black. I like it. I mean, as long as it says its job and it doesn't start to run throughout the day, which I wouldn't be able to know unless I use it more often. That's the thing with these boxes. You do a first impression and you kind of really don't know how they're gonna work. So like last time I didn't like the eyebrow pencil and now I use it. So it's kind of like I feel like a bitch because I'm like, fuck this product. And then like I keep using it because I end up liking it. I don't know. But I always keep people updated. Like I'll always post about it. You'll see it on my Instagram or I'll post here like an update. But yeah, hopefully next month's box is better. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for those who are watching, and yeah, until next time guys, thank you. I want to come off as like being like rude or anything, like, oh, she's like her box, bitch, they don't make the video. No, like I want to be honest. I want to be like real. Like I don't want you guys to like subscribe to something that like, you know, that they're not putting out. Does that make any sense? I don't know if that made any sense, but I kind of just like, don't waste your money on something that's not worth it, you know? I mean, you do get like worth your money, but like this box, I don't know, I wasn't excited for. So crossing my fingers that March is way better. And yeah, I mean, makeup is makeup, it's fun. If it doesn't work out for me, I give it to my sisters, my mom. Maybe products that don't work for me work for them. So I mean, it's not like I just throw it away. So yeah, you know what, I'm just gonna apply highlighter anyway. I have a septum piercing, so don't think it's a big ass moco.